What's going on, y'all? Today we doing okra. Now this dish here is near and dear to my heart. Love this dish. But anyway, we gonna do some stewed okra. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. And if you new, that mean that like, share, and subscribe. But first thing we need to do is go ahead and chop this up. Chop it up. And hey, if this is your first time, hope you have a good time and hope to see you again. But anyway, you can use this to fry okra. You can use this for what I'm doing today, which is that stew. So we gonna add in our onion and our bell pepper. Then of course, you know what we gotta do, y'all. We gotta rain on. Gotta hit them with that salt. That fresh pepper. And then give it a quick mix, y'all. Mix. Then we gonna let that simmer for about a minute or two. After that, time to add in them fresh garden tomatoes, y'all. Now these are my garden tomatoes. Now these some cherry tomatoes. I ain't getting no big tomatoes this year, y'all. All I got was cherry tomatoes. I was very disappointed, but that's alright. It's always next year. Now we gonna go ahead and let this simmer for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes, y'all. Now in 3 minutes, we should be able to press down with our spoon and kind of bust those tomatoes up. After we get it how we like, guess what, y'all? Time for that start. That okra, y'all. And of course, gotta go ahead and get that a quick mixy mix, y'all. So once we get that mix in, we gonna go ahead and add in a cup of chicken stock, y'all. Now I'm using chicken stock today because I'm having baked chicken with this, y'all. And it's just gonna make that flavor just come together so good. So good. So we gonna bring this up to a simmer. After around 5 minutes, you should be able to take a fork, hit your okra, cut it in half real easy. Now, you can continue the cooking process if you want to, but this is about how I like mine. And then I'll add in my cayenne, y'all. Now I add me about a teaspoon of cayenne to this, but you can add more or less, depending what your spice level is, you know. And then we gonna mix that up right quick, and we gonna let that simmer for about another minute. And guess what? It's time to plate up after that. It's time to plate up. So of course I had to start with me some rice. Some of that good old long grain rice, y'all. Then come in with that okra and tomato. And right now, my mouth is salivating, y'all. I've been waiting on this one. Been waiting on it. And just to add a little bit more flavor, I'm gonna take that juice from that baked chicken and pour it all over that rice. Oh my goodness, it was so good, y'all. I'm telling you, that chicken juice. Oh. But anyway, let's go ahead and taste this plate. So of course, we got our okra and our tomato. Now I'm a huge okra fan. You know what I'm saying? Love me some okra. So it's already gonna be good to me. Then when you blend in them drippings from that chicken, oh my goodness. It took this off the charts, y'all. Off the charts. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all.